To add Apple Pay to your PlayStation, start by ensuring your console is connected to the internet and you have a compatible device with iOS or macOS. You will also need to have an Apple ID and an Apple Pay account set up on your device. First, go to the PlayStation Store on your console and select your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section and select Add Payment Method. Next, choose Apple Pay as your payment method and follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You may be asked to enter a verification code sent to your device. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to the PlayStation Store, where you can confirm the addition of Apple Pay as a payment method. You can now use Apple Pay to make purchases on the PlayStation Store, including games, DLC, and subscriptions. To use Apple Pay for future purchases, simply select Apple Pay as your payment method at checkout. You will be prompted to authenticate with your device, and the payment will be processed securely. It is essential to note that you must have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple ID to use Apple Pay on your PlayStation. Additionally, ensure that your device and console are running the latest software to avoid any compatibility issues. By following these steps, you can easily add Apple Pay to your PlayStation and enjoy a seamless and secure payment experience. Remember to always keep your account information and device secure to prevent unauthorized transactions.